Hi, welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back. My name is Beth and this is Cat Lady Budgets. On today's episode or video, I am doing my Birthstones and Flowers box challenge, and this comes to you from Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets. This is my home maintenance binder. It will be the games binder, kind of switching back and forth. I do budget $50 a week for my home maintenance. And then I also do a group play, and I'm working on Simply Made, her April group play, and I know I'm behind, but we'll put in $1. And then we'll set this binder to the side. I hope you guys are doing well and you guys had a fantastic weekend. We really didn't do much. I rearranged this room I film in, and then it used to be like my office, but it's just like it was so big, so I switched to the smallest room in the house, to the office slash library. I got a chair in there to read books, and then it's just got all of my knick-knack things, and there's a giant military helicopter just flew over my house. And then so the other room I made it into the spare bedroom, so, and I also film in it, so that's where we are. So I pulled out all of my challenges, so we're ready to go. I put all the remaining cards in this pouch, and I'm just gonna pull it out. Let me shake it. All right, so it looks like we're finishing this one up. So, as some of my regular subscribers know, my nephew got engaged. I think it was May, and he bought his first house and they moved in, and I love it. I love it more than my house, so I'm kind of jealous. But anyway, him and his fiance are getting married November of 2026, and instead of getting married here, they want to have a destination wedding. So now I need to come up with a new savings challenge for that. It's going, and he told me he was thinking about Jamaica. So I have to get my passport because I don't have one, and all those other fun things, and save money. So all right, so December, let's do the 4. I'm like making this shake because I'm scratching so hard. Let's see if I've got $1. I don't. So $4, and I'll put this here. We'll reuse it at a later time. So what did I say? Oh, February. So this box is cute. Honestly, I haven't checked to see if it's still there. It was free at the time. I've got this box. I've got a retro game box. Maybe there's like a pastry box from her. So I have quite a few boxes. So let's do the $3 for May. Let's see what we've got in here. Oh. Just gonna keep pulling them out. Well, we are finishing some, so that's good. I've been working on this for a while, and this is, I think, episode number 6. So that one's done. Oh, so anyway, since I rearranged, roll dice and add to next card. Okay. Well, we're going to get the D4 die because I'm not putting some crazy amount. $1. Perfect. So we'll do this one and add $2. $2, right? Yes. I'm just kind of condensing as I go because, you know, I have just a couple of 5s. That's next. Oh, so anyway, I didn't do Featured Friday. So I think I'm going to do Featured Friday every other Friday and play with $100 to finish out my spooky binder and my mini freebie mini savings challenges. Roll 2 dice and add. Oh, well, we're just going to roll the 1 twice. Maybe. 3, 4, so 7. So I'm adding $7 to February. Sometimes I think if I play it, I'm not going to play it again because then we can just be playing forever. So, what is that one? As I was saying, even though it's my favorite video to film, they just aren't performing that well. So, I mean, 3 views. So we're pulling all the bonuses here. I don't know which one that is. It might be, I haven't seen this one. July, August, September, October. No, oh, it's November. Okay, so let's see what kind of change we have in here, because I got some 5s. Okay, so we'll put these back and take the 5 and we'll just do $1. I'm using a colored pencil, so maybe that's why it's shaking everything so bad. Oh, well, here we are. Same one, same November, I mean. So we'll do $2. So anyway, I hope it'll be more exciting seeing Featured Friday every other Friday. Well, it's the year of the Novembers, I guess. They must be stuck together. So that's 3. Put another 5. Let me give this a shake. Oh my gosh, guess what? Add $3 to November. Okay, well, let's do, oh look, a new one. I have no idea what month that is. I think in September, because it kind of looks like a sapphire. Oh, it is. Okay, so I've got a 4 or 2. Let's do the 4. And $1. So that was the last 5. And then we've got May. So has anybody been to Jamaica? I have not been. So, and I don't know how much money to save. He said it was like, their resort's like $200 and something a night, but I don't know how many nights we would be there. And then you got airfare. So, I mean, I think 2,000. That seems like a lot. So, got January. I mentioned if him getting married in Vegas because I got married in Vegas and my other sister got married in Vegas, and he said they were thinking about it. I just said it might be too much travel for some of our older family members, but roll 2 dice and add. So there's a 2. This might wipe us out. Yep, 6. 2, 4, 5, 6. And I have $1 left, so I will just add it to this one. I cheated. March, we'll get $1. So we've completed some, but we still have ways to go. I'm playing like if I played it, filled it, they're done. So, well, that is all I have for you today. I will see you back for my Tiny Tuesday video. Have a great day. Bye.